Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you will get the basic steps to set up TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro, AXE5400 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 6E system. Let's start. First, turn off your existing modem and unplug its power cord. Then, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to a LAN port on your existing modem. Plug the other end into Ethernet ports on the back of your main Deco XE75 unit. Power on your modem first, wait a minute, and then plug the power adapter into your Deco XE75 unit. Now, wait for the power LED light on the Deco to blinking blue. After blue light indication, your Deco is ready for the setup. To start the setup, you need to download and install the Deco app. You can simply download the Deco app from Google Play or App Store. By scanning the QR code, you can also download this app. After download, you need to log in the Deco app with the help of TP-Link ID. Here, enter your email and password. Now, simply tap Login button. If you are a new user, or you don't have an account, then create one first. Here, tap Don't Have an Account option. This option is available below of the Login button. Follow the instructions to create an account and log in the app. After login, select your Deco model number from the list. You can simply type the model number into the search bar. Then follow the app instruction to complete the setup process. Here you can set a network name and a password. These will be the name and password you use to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. After setup, you can connect your devices to the Deco network. If you are facing any trouble to configure your TP-Link Deco 5400 mesh Wi-Fi system, or you need our technical assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.